Every action counts. By reducing waste, conserving energy, and by embracing eco-friendly practices, we can make a positive difference.
Namaste. We are here representing Adani World School. I am Nitisha Ranjan from grade 9.
And I am Harshit from grade 10.
We have immense pleasure and honor to represent our school in National Level Science Exhibition. Our theme is Lifestyle for Environment and our topic is Waste to Energy Conversion, a sustainable solution for electricity generation. Our topic, that is waste to energy conversion, is a part of Lifestyle for Environment and comes under the broad category of waste management and energy conversion. When waste is burned in a controlled and regulated way, it can be used as a fuel resource to generate electricity.
By incorporating waste to energy as a part of Lifestyle for Environment, we can reduce waste, generate renewable energy and contribute to a more sustainable economy.
Our vision is to reduce waste by utilizing it as a resource.
The objective of this project is to provide a sustainable source of energy tailored for rural areas.
And to use waste reuse waste at its highest and best use so that we can make a clean and green environment for the community.
It plays a major role in educating and empowering rural communities about a reliable source of energy which can be implemented at a very low cost. The process and methodology behind the working of this project is that this process begins by abundantly sourcing waste materials like plastics, papers, cardboards, wood materials, etc. We then burn this in a specially designed metallic stand. The photovoltaic energy and light energy which is released during this burning process is then captured by these two solar panels fitted in this project. These two solar panels then convert it into consumable electric energy. This energy then lights up this indicator LED which signifies the working of this project and further recharges these batteries. The energy accumulated in these batteries is then used to light up these two additional LEDs. The overview of this project is that in those areas of our country wherein household electrification is still seen as a challenge, our solution offers a cost-effective alternative to this. By using everyday waste as a source of energy, we not only solve the problem of waste accumulation but also convert it into a valuable resource.
Our project seeks to address rural energy deficiencies by converting waste materials such as paper and cardboard into electrical energy. Let us understand this better by an example. Cities with vast rural land, people often face challenges with energy supply and waste management.
Our project attempts to intervene these two issues by offering a solution which is both beneficial for the environment as well as for the people.
By using waste as a resource, we are reducing land pollution and simultaneously providing a cost-effective energy solution.
In conclusion, our project not only lights houses but also sparks of hope for a cleaner and brighter future for household electrification.
With initiatives like this, we believe that rural regions can lead to their sustainable development and can turn challenges into.
In conclusion, our project not only lights houses but also sparks of hope for a clearer and brighter future for household electrification.
With initiatives like this, the rural areas can lead to the sustainable development, turning challenges into opportunities. Thank you.